Welcome to the Mitsy Kit Origami Cotton Tote video demonstration. Our kit includes 3 cotton squares and 1 tote strap. The first step is to hand stitch the 2 squares attached by plastic clips with a running stitch just below the tactile border. Make sure to remove safety pins and clips as you sew along. Step 2 is to open the sewn squares right side up. There'll be a safety pin on one of the squares on the right side. Step 3 is to pin the 3rd square on top of the 2nd square, making sure to align the 2 safety pins on each square. Sew the top of the 3rd and 2nd squares together as step 4. Step 5 is to open the sewn squares in a V shape on the table in front of you. Step 6 is our origami. Fold 3 outer points to meet in the center, forming 3 intersecting triangles. And then step 7 is to pin and sew the 2 intersections of these 3 triangles. Step 8 is to turn the sewn squares right side out. And step 9 is to pin and sew the tote strap ends between the 2 upper folded points of your bag. And that's it. Like magic, your origami tote is complete. Please see www.mitsykit.org for more projects.